Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this video I'm going to show you a very good indicator, and you will see the results. But remember, it's a scalping strategy. Okay, you have need to book a small profit and close a trade. Then in the next trade, when you got the signal, let me show you something. Here you are getting buy and sell signal. We are here not concerned on this buy and sell signal. We have need to concern on this add signal. Okay, this ad signal are so much profitable. Let me show you some results. Okay, here when you got the signal, let me show you some clear instructions so you can understand better. Let me show you. Here you can see why when you get the ad signal. Here you can see there is a dotted line. You can see the red one, that is actually the sell volume. Okay, that means this is a strong sell signal. Okay, and like in the gold, you have need to whatever the time frame you want, you can use. Or if you want to follow all signal, you can follow all the signal, but one condition only. Like here, when you got the signal, add signal, you have the signal, the price was 3410.9. Okay, when you got the signal, the price was in the gold was 3410.9. Okay, and the next two three candles, the price goes from 10 to 08. Let me 2 to 3 $2.5 movement. That's it. You have need to book small profit in this strategy. You have need to book small profit, consistent profit. That is the strategy in this video. Okay, here you can see, got the signal, take small profit, close the trade. Buy signal, here you can see the blue one, add signal. Okay, and you can follow buy signal and close the trade. That's it. You need to book small profit. That's it. Okay, here you can see buy signal, in the next 2 to 3 candles, book small profit, close the trade. That's it. That is actually the best strategy. Okay, let me show you. Here you can see buy signal. Okay, there is a volume as well. Okay, green volume, that means this is a strong signal. Okay, and you can see you got the profit here. Here you can see the sell signal. You need to put your stop loss here. Okay, the previous low point will be your stop loss. Like here you got the signal, this was your stop loss. Okay, here you can see the buy sell signal, here that is your stop loss, and need to book small profit. That's it. Okay, here you can see buy signal, put your stop loss here in this one will be your stop loss, and you can see you got some good profit. Again buy signal, and you can see the profitable trades. Okay, let's see more. Here you can see the buy signal, in the next 2 to 3 candles you book the profit. Like here when you got the signal, the price was 3447 47, from 47 to price goes from 50. It's mean 2.5 to $3 moment easily catch. Okay, that here you can see when you got the signal, the price was triple four. Okay, from 44 price goes from 44 to 41. Okay, it's around 2.5 to $3 moment easily catch. Okay, here you can see buy signal and the results you can see. Here you can see the sell signal results you can see. Okay, here you can see that's this one. Okay, it will automatically withdraw the support, resistance, each and everything. Okay, and it will also, here you can see that's a sell signal. This was the most recent sell signal, and you can see the results. Okay, here you can see buy signal. This was the buy signal, and you can see the results of this signal. This is pure price action algo, and signals. Here you can see the signal, but we do not need to concern on the signal. We have need to concern on only the price action signal. And here is the price action signals. Here you can see the buy one, ad mean red ad, that means put your sell trade. Okay, red admin sell trade. Okay, and if you want to see the results in some other pairs like euro USD, let me show you. In the GBP USD I will show you the result, because this strategy work on all time frame or all pairs. Okay, like here this was the most recent buy signal, and you can see now your trade is in good profit. Okay, like here you can see this one sell signal, it's good. It is a good one. It is also a good one signal. Here you can see this one is also a good one signal. Here this one. Okay, this one sell signal is not so much profitable. Here you can see. Okay, but the stop loss was here, but you can see your stop loss did not hit. Here you can see, and the dotted line, here you can see that was your stop loss. Okay, here that was your stop loss, and you can see the your stop loss did not hit, but the profit hit easily. Okay, let me show you some more trades here. This ad signal you can see here, like purely based on price action, and you can see the results here. Okay, here unfortunately this sell signal is not profitable. Here you can see this sell signal is not profitable, but the buy signal uh, recover your loss in the next trade. Okay, you can see this sell signal did not give you the profit, this one, but the buy signal recover your this loss in the next trade. Okay, so that's it. I think I gave you the best explanation, and I will show you the some more results here, so you can understand better and better. Here you can see the buy signal, here you can see the sell signal give you some good profit here. Okay, here you can see the buy signal in the previous candle. You can see you got the buy signal and your take profit will be like here. You can see that one there is a resistance, so you can and you can put your stop loss here. You book your profit here. Okay, it is the candle signal is based on the higher time frame candles, and here you can see the higher time frame this is the 15-minute time frame candles, and here 1 hour time frame candles, and this is 1 day candle. Okay, last 4 candles in the 15-minute, 1 hour and 1 day. It will show you. Okay, this is the best indicator that I'll develop, and hopefully you will love it. Okay, if you need the indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, Telegram or Gmail. Okay, Telegram, write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram, because there are some fake Telegram channels. You need to be aware and do not join any fake Telegram channels. Okay, okay, I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this video as usual. And any question, any query, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.